Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a landing page in System.io. This is useful for capturing leads, promoting products, or sharing offers effectively. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your System.io, and once you're here, you will just have to look for funnels. So it should be somewhere right here. So it really depends on you what kind of funnels that you're looking for. So anyways, what you will have to do is look for sales funnels or funnels. So once you're here, what you will have to do is click create. And then now that you're here, you will just have to choose build an audience. And then you will enter your name, of course. So it could be anything, honestly. And then after that, you will just have to click save. And of course, you do have to enter your currency as well. And then after saving, what you will have to do is choose a template. So you will select a landing page template by so you will look for the template section somewhere right here. So yeah, anyway, just click SMS template. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will look for an available template. So you should have that um option if you do have the full version of the website, uh or you do have the full version of the of your plan. Or anyway, so once you see the template section somewhere right here, what you will have to do is just choose a template, and then you could use that template that you've selected, and then you can customize the page by editing the text, the images, the colors, the buttons, and all that stuff. And you could also add opt-in forms or videos as needed. And then after all that, you will just have to save and publish and share a link with your audience or integrate with email campaigns. And yeah, that's how you can create a landing page in System.io. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.